Have you always wanted to make your own candles and you've just no idea where to begin? I'm Jo McFarlane and I've been running Jo McFarlane Limited here in Scotland for the past 10 years. I have supported thousands of women around the world, from my in-person candle making workshops to now online, and I also have a live Zoom where you receive the candle kit in the post and you make it your own kitchen table and join me from my kitchen table. So if you'd like me to support you on your candle making journey, I would be delighted. Hop onto my website, jomcfarlane.com, for more information. My business grew from my very own kitchen table. I ran workshops there for 18 months, which is mad, I know. I then grew into a studio and ran the workshops there. I create private label candles for luxury hotels across Scotland and London and clients such as Waldorf Astoria, Sheraton, Porsche, Rangers Football Club, and many more. You can find out more information on the website. And my passion is helping women start a candle business from the kitchen table, because I know you can do it, because I have been there. I have welcomed people, complete strangers, to my kitchen table to make, and I know that you can do that too. So if you would like to join my coaching, hop on and we can have a chat. If you'd like to talk a bit more in depth about how your candle journey is going to look, and I can help you from the very beginning. If you're further down your journey, if you already have a candle business and you just feel a little bit stuck and you're not sure what you'd quite like to do next, I can support you there too. Let's have a mentoring call, and I usually host those on a Monday, and we can have an hour session where we chat about your business and get a good strategy session and see how we can take your business forward. Anyway, hop on to jomcfarlane.com and I'll look forward to hearing from you and working with you soon.